How to add volume button on screen on iPhone. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. This is me Atticus, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can add volume buttons on screen on your iPhone. Now if you guys wonder what the volume button on your screen looks like, it looks like something like this. This is the volume up button and this is the volume down button. So to add this, it's really simple. You will need to head over to your settings. After you head over to your settings, scroll down till you find the accessibility. Tap on accessibility, and after you tap on it, scroll down till you find touch. Tap on touch and you will see the assistive touch option. Tap on it and initially it will be turned off. Just turn it on and you will get this round circle on your screen. And yeah, that is how you do it. Now all you need to do is tap on this home circle, tap on device, and then there are the volume up and volume down buttons. And that is how you do it, guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.